Me and Little Birds. The world is spinning round and round. It does not know I'm here. So very few would even know if I should disappear. I don't know about a grand design or of some master plan. I don't think that knowledge is for the likes of mortal man. For a short time we get to live. We get to laugh and smile. We get to feel, we get to cry and walk this earth a while. I know I am nothing more than a brief moment in time. I think the world as I know it exists, but in my mind. As I sit in this sunny day and watch life flowing by, something stirs within my soul. It brings tears to my eyes. I don't hold dreams of greatness or of mansions in the air. I'm no expert on deities, but I think something's there. We think of life as so complex, and yet I watch the birds. Our politics or master plans of which they've never heard. And yet they have a life to live. They need no reason why. Just like the flowers in the fields, they live until they die. Yet when they die, life carries on. Another takes their place. I see a similarity found in the human race. We contemplate on life itself, yet we die anyway. No matter who we think we are, we will not get to stay. Man thinks he is the master of everything on this earth, yet we just live until the death assured to us from birth. And in between we struggle for peace and serenity until we go to the next life, wherever that may be. Just what that life will be, I think we are not meant to know. I think we should just live and love in life before we go. So I think I'll enjoy today, just like the birds I see. No matter what we think, life will be what it's going to be. What's waiting on the other side, despite all I have heard, will also be what it will be for me and little birds.